mo boda mo. I think I did 1 hour. Ana mo boda mo. Ye pe conductors we be mo gana genye bi. Wo na wo be kire se bi e conduct wenka na wenka. Na wenka na se obi abetuma ye bi. Mo boda mo go sua de na mo timi cheche nsem nkire Ghana fo ejimi fo ma. All right, mami dwedwem. Saboteurs. Egigim. And yes, sorry, no, asama abeda honi a Ministry of Transport to present bill to rename Kotoka International Airport to Accra International Airport. And this assembly I was saying very, very happy about. They say some people are saying the changing of the name from Kotoka International Airport to Accra International Airport, what benefit? Any benefit class we will change it. It doesn't have to give us money before we change it. We don't need permission from anybody to change the name. If we feel that the name near the tosono and a deserve, we have the right to change it. It is not the money that is bringing. Because I don't think when you were given name by your parent, you later came to ask them, say, why did they give you that name? And that did it bring them money? I don't think you went to ask your parents that. There's a reason here, parent did a din also. Because they believe it's a sa edino, I was say as a sound bra. It is a your mind, not say the edibia to airport so. Now you're doing when we say edin yansenim. Nipana or this sa edin made to airport so nebra or boy no and so he does not deserve data. What wrong? And I say we want to change the name. We don't have to get money to change the name. If we feel that the name near the atosono, nipana and fatase edin dimba to so we have the right to change it. This Kotoka guy, ne record ne saying, Oyeku, eno tu kwame nkrumah. We don't want despicable people like that to be having names on a government facilities into ye change. We don't need permission from God. We don't need permission from you. We are Ghanaians and we want to make sure yetrimu eho aye fine. We don't want people with such a record to be carrying our airport to be carrying such names. And no. So this is not anything also a debate. This is something we all support. And then one person edi wudi for obia only better a track record eto the badin yempe edino. And I've seen people ask, what is it going to bring us? Hey, it is not going to bring us anything, but we don't want it. Hey, if you people don't get this, and just a mwanga samajunu form, Kotoka is a traitor, and we need to change it. Yankasi ye change the akoto hinibiso. Yankasi ye change edi akoto hima biso. Yankasi ye change the akoto eye imam biso anasofi biso. Ye change the ato ekrona airport lisinu so. What is the big deal here? Sanke change ni akoto anunani hinibiso a kakwase weka se yakoma ngunafo. Ye lekoma krobofo din a kebeka se yakoma krobodin. Ye change ni akoto miame papa din so a kebeka se yakoma mfantini. Ye change ye say ye ato ekrona airport lisinu so. What is your problem? Ghana for mu yesu atradodo. Mumudu do almost de ama ejimi fo book na musia no muntumi apply mo common sense. This is right. We will change the name. Ebintina oti somewhere. Let's look at this guy. Look at this guy. Shenipawi.
I mean, renaming of Kotoka and those, they are just useless, they are baseless. I mean, waste of taxpayers' money. And that's not what we need. Because if you do these things, every branding that has been done in the name of Kotoka International Airport will have to be rebranded to Accra International Airport. That is a cost to the taxpayers' money. That's a cost to the taxpayer. Today, as we speak, you know that nurses are not being paid, teachers are not being paid, recruitments are supposed to be made. They are saying that they don't have financial clearance. So that is not so.
You changing of the name doesn't mean the benefit of
didn't pay them. It is a waste of time, waste of resources, and the NDC should be serious with the government.
Ne to doors China yireto. We ekwaze vote ne to doors China yireto. Na we somebody who is a lawmaker. Only problem is say yeti krom ha ene e ba Kumasi. E ho na oye MP. Me say akwa ne to doors China girlfriend to. Ene e be ka che otumfo say ye be change Kumasi International Airport. That time no Offer letterhead biya Kumasi International Airport. Ne ya trust Kumasi International Airport. Every document biya, every banner, poster biya will be ne ya trust Kumasi International Airport and the MPP. Yako Kumasi, any yakoka say you be changing it to ebe the airport be to ohini bi din. Yetna ha yanya demonstration kwasi ampen you are the to doors China yere to no. One can say it's a waste of taxpayers. These are foolish people. Yetna Ghana, Kwame University of Ghana, any other universities. Nana do dan Kweku, do you know changing the name of a university? Do you know the amount of work that has to be done? Akufo Addo kwasi ampenyi we ba ye o se de dombo de yetna krom ha. Universities had to go back, change every single document, because Akufo Addo wanted to bring his father's name into our history. Akufo Addo wanted to bring people who were criminals with criminal backgrounds, people who worked with other foreigners to come and commit crimes in Ghana. Nana Akufo Addo Jimmy Fowe they came to change names like Omabodam. You people did not say it was something that will hurt the taxpayer. We are changing Kotoka to Accra International Airport. So I want to ask you for Jimmy ko Kumasi, Kotana Kumasi. Kurasi Kotana ho. Ka onim nyansa, ka obeka kire Ghana for say, and ye Kumasi Airport no. The Ben international plane be siwo because ya betu ni din se dia international airport. Kurasi ni aba krom. And then for to Abama Kurasini Aba Krum into Obedu Krum no on pe at the papa and phone coffee. And on Nenaman crying. Ne to doors a China Yeren and Okikan Kwasi Asam. Yet now Krumha. So this is supposed to be done. We don't need to get money from it. I don't care how much it's going to cost. They need to change the name. Yeah, I know MPP for whom. Margin will say, Ghana ni otchere no. Mojin say for time. But Jimmy 4 time mo MPP for my junior must say Ghana na team no ba Jimmy bre e de say 4 time no osaf ma for to me cost saloon kwaji loan bo je say ba Jimmy bre Akufo to me Ghana at 50 na Ghana for sika oni Kojo Mpieni ani rekubrobe omo wie sika no audit auditor forensic audit chese o say nke chikufo tum no bo je say ba Jimmy bre na Kufo free power na ne kro no obo e nyina no waka cha GBC for so mun delete no. Bogi say ba Jimmy for mra ko for tam Ghana for gold e ko ye chain beto du kom no. Bogi say da ho ba Jimmy mra ana mo border mo hu. Ana bogi say ye nyina ye Jimmy say mo forefathers no. We are building, and it is not how you people feel. It is about how we want to build this nation. And majority of Ghanaians, at least 57% of Ghanaians, are still in support of this government. So this is something we want, and we will change the name. Sa ba Jimmy Brana Kufo bedi president na moya nyoma na mudi esie ene ya papa Kufo ene moya campaign kwa mutumi mbo Kufo Addo din. Ene moya campaign na mutumi nye bold mbo Kufo Addo din. Mo tsara na mabo Kufo din because Kufo bo kro no o de tetemo. Because mutumi nkenkan enti ase. Ya kenkan kire mo so na mutiti moto. Kufo bo kro no di sie nti. Munnim sene ya research. Iti madwene mu se Kufo ene ya ba Jimmy Kufo time. Ye ni Kufo time o ba Jimmy bre 2000 ene o 2026. Kufo be di president e ko 30 years. Kufo be di president TikTok ni ho. Kufo be di president na nyoma bebre electric car nyina na ebi ni ho. Kufo obedi president no na untumi enfre obi chese Kufo be di president na ye ba Jimmy bre o. Ye ni ba Jimmy bre o nyoma sesa. Inti ayana de biano mutena Ghana na ma adwene say mo MPP fo no enya mo dia obi agimi sa de no yempene mo. We are going to question your intelligence because mumudu do ma adwene from now. Listen to Afenyo Markin on this same matter. Ye be change Kotoka International Airport. Kotoka oye traitor. Kotoka ode eye kwan bone so etu Kwame Nkrumah no ope Kwame Nkrumah kunu no. Ye be change ni din keke. Na ye de eye Accra to airport no so. Muntie Afenyo Markin. The Afenyo Markin guy who basically campaigned against Bawumia, the guy who hates Bawumia and wished Bawumia never won the primaries. Listen to Afenyo Markin. Me say MPP for Omojimi Muntie no.
That all these years we've had this Kotoka, General Kotoka's name on the airport, and suddenly it's being changed. What is it? After it's Kotoka International Airport, Accra. So Accra is still there. I'm not suggesting any other name. I'm saying that the name Kotoka International Airport, Accra is already there. Accra is already there. So you don't need to remove Kotoka's name from there. So if you come to Accra, or even in the country, how many prominent Voltarians have their names on national assets or national monuments? This is the only thing the people of Volta region can also at least see as something that recognizes heroism from the Volta region. And that one too, they are being denied. Well, Honorable Kwame Agbodza is from Volta. Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa, he's from Volta and he's sitting in cabinet. Honorable Fifi Kwete is the General Secretary of NDC from Volta region. Honorable Ahiafo, he is the first Deputy Speaker in this government from Volta region. Honorable Kwame Eche, the Fiamepo, Majority Chief Whip from Volta region. And they are all sitting down, watching the government to take away a Voltarian's name, which has been given to our airport, and successive government never made any attempt to change it. And in this time and age, they are from Volta and they are in the government and they are watching. Volta to lose its pride. It's up to them.
This is part of the reason why Bawumia wants to change this idiot. I'm telling you. Last week I was in Ghana and I met a lot of senior politicians in the NPP and the NDC. And they were trying to explain to me why Bawumia doesn't like Afenyo. And I'm now beginning to understand why the NPP, majority of them, think Afenyo is foolish. Very, very foolish. This is the minority leader. Such a foolish analogy. Say, Kotoka, Nidino, Kotoka Dini are prominent. And what you are talking about, what has it got to do with Voltarians? So stupid and just tribal foolishness. The level of idiocy. The sheer foolishness exhibited by a Racoón. Listen to him. This is the minority. No wonder Bawumia does not want this fool to lead them. What makes Kotoka's name a prominent name? What makes his name a prominent name? And then if somebody is a Voltarian and the Voltarian believes that Kotoka, who is a traitor or two Kwame Nkrumah, Voltarian Onim Nyansa will never vote for Kotoka's name on anything. Actually, you people, you the Dankwabuzia criminals, na Akufo Addo busuani, the snitch. He was working with the CIA to destroy our nation, and no, and I'm supporting Tina. You think Kotoka's name is a prominent name because people like you are still worshiping a snitch, a traitor, somebody who works with foreigners to destroy our nation. You people, that is the kind of people you are. That is why today you are still recognizing Dankwa, because Dankwa was a traitor. So you believe, say, upon all the nonsense Kotoka did, you see nothing wrong with it. So let's bring in the tribal. The people you mentioned, they are Voltarians, and they are Voltarians who will not vouch for a traitor. You see, this is the highest form of for the first time, I agree with Bawumia that he cannot allow such a fool who does not think through matters to lead the minority, because if this is the person in parliament leading the minority for you to win power, then you have to understand that you have cursed yourself. You will never get close to power. This should even tell you that Ablakwa, all the people he was mentioning, they are people who are Voltarians and would never vote for a Voltarian who is a traitor. So he is even justifying why those people are intelligent than him. Why should Ablakwa vouch for Kotoka, who was a traitor? Why should the Fiamakpo vouch for Kotoka, who was a traitor? Why should Fifi Kwete vouch for Kotoka, who was a traitor? Why should all the Voltarians in the NDC vouch for Kotoka, who is a traitor? Why should they do that? It is only people like you, Afenyo, and your likes, the piglets in the MPP, who vouch for JB Dankwa, because you have always seen traitors, snitches, people who always fight against their own nation as heroes. That is why in the NPP, you still worship the Dankwa name, because you are not ashamed of glorifying a traitor. The foolishness, the highest form. Mama, politics are a time. And these are the people sit. Jimmy Nibiato suit sha. Then we say these are intelligent. This is a very stupid man. What has tribalism got to do with this? Yeti Kroma and ye koyi a whole Kumasi International Airport and ye the two ohini Asante for hene bako. Nobody linked any tribal thing to it. Nobody sat here and say Adentina Kumasi Airport no modi akoto ohini bi oya Asantini. Asantini bi esi Kumasi Airport to Asantimemu. Kumasi Airport. Asantini bi esi Kumasi Airport. And so yaba yese akoto Prempeh the second who said yen nyina etina ka say okay, no problem. Did anybody say Adentina ye the airport ne to Asantini? Ghana history mu Asantini ben na ako a sebio enya tribe ntokwa wako ama Ghana obetima bobako mpodi. But we sit here as Ghanaians, we don't care, because majority of ntokwa Asantefo ako a tribal war. It was no war that could build this nation. But we will not sit here and say Asantefo ntokwa a tribal war. We are sidelining them, even though some of them till date they still think say omo person be Ghana for. We don't care. But we as Ghanaians, we accept them as one people. There are people it was in the name of Ghana. But you call Santimemo Prempeh the second airport no obi can say Adentina I wanna phone bumfu ye Adentina gonja for mo Santimemo a omone Asantefo ma wo ya omunya mbema tintin ma ende unhu omo ma say sebio mbema tintin no omo bumfu Adentina why? Because Afenyo Markin is foolish, very weak-minded. He cannot think through matters. And now understand why Mahamadu Bawumia insists to say it was Amin Adams a minority leader. And now understand. First, I thought Bawumia was being hard. But Bawumia, they have taken their time to analyze Afenyo Markin's level of intelligence. Almost with Jimmy, now doing what form. Now so obi ye MPP nino ya unenia. Now to work as ankwasi asemu. Your worker say now where Jimmy ana? What do you represent? Ye dino, comma, ose, Kotoka International Airport, comma, Accra, Jimmy. We want the Kotoka name out. It is not the comma that is there. MPP for Ankasa na mu nyan. Ana sometimes be say be di mo atamba mo Jimmy dodo. Already. Adina mo Jimmy sa. Your leadership, you won't quarrel. Just say, Shenkofo Mudi, Bawumia campaign time, they no more. In Quarane Jimmy, in Penifone Jimmy, you give them the opportunity to exhibit a little bit of intelligence. No makagum. You as a minority, you want power. Near Busa question way. Oh, the transport ministry wants us to change the name. It could not get any reasonable answer that, oh, these are Voltarians in the NDC. Why are they? Do you think Voltaire will Jimmy Tisawo? No Voltairean is foolish like you, Afenyo Markin. Voltaire no Jimmy no one people. Voltaire onim nyanse be say I will not glorify a traitor like Kotoka. So how did we get here? How did we get here? You are very foolish. Change your ways. They will change you. Bawumia campaign okotena eye ukromo ho e na wo ye campaign tia Bawumia. You did campaign a pompisika a campaign tia Bawumia because you never wanted Bawumia to lead the NPP. Election results reached clearly. The number of the Kennedy Agyapong sika o pompi ye mo 13 nipa mo tatankofo wi abamu Kennedy, because in your mind Kennedy was going to win. And I will be Bawumia will be, with all due respect to Bawumia be very foolish to allow you to be the minority, because the more you sit there as the minority leader, Bawumia should understand and say 30 years he can never be president. The more you sit in front of the minority as their leader, na sanko yasema okay, so be anwuneni no party ma ogin say na ajibe so no. So if Bawumia is smart, he needs to start working on you, taking care of you. or some you will see chain. No more penance and be the minority nedim. Why economy won't mean kasama Bawumia. When issues about economy eba parliament, say Ato Forson about parliament, na say oberidi budget, you cannot understand. So how are you going to make a case for Bawumia? I'm asking you. When there is an economic debate, a debate on economy in parliament, how are you going to make a case for Bawumia? Afenyo Markin, how are you going to make a case? You can't. So automatically, Bawumia has lost the debate in parliament when it comes to the economy. And you have to understand, Bawumia, the strength of the economy, right now he wants a rebranding to tell Ghanaians, say, on your bad economist, and I say, on bon, he needs somebody who can do that for him. You, I'm asking you. Now, I'm coming in. The President of the Republic, John Mahama, to cut sword for tractor assembly plant in Ghana. And John Mahama, baby cha swordim. Ye babe assemble, ye be shisha tractor wa Ghana. And the idea in say they want to boost agriculture. John Mahama, or one of the biggest farmers in Ghana, so winima. Ope ekuafwa kesiye a mo Ghana, uyi John Mahama is one of them. And he's leading by example. John Mahama is about to cut sword for an assembly. Ye ba be shisha tractor wa Ghana. Tractor na ekuafo sebio omu epebi edi juma edi boosti emo juma omo ye no. And the John Mahama through the agric minister, Mr. Eriko Pokuno, they are bringing an assembly. I want the plant ne babe shisha tractor wa Ghana. Ebedu impempenso bi bedu na ekuyeni to me ura bank. Na wakase me tractor edu bank for and the interest loan no aba form into mama me the tractors edu na mintua ne kakra. That is what is going to happen. A time will come. Say ekuyafo no ebetumi awoki into a bank. And then ask the bank to give them loan to go and buy tractor cheap in Ghana. Say a tractor ewo Ghana ema ekuafo. One, say kuyeni ni kota also tia say tax bi enu a obetua enye import duties bi enu ho. Onko jina port enka say obi a charge no port duties kakraka bi. You are buying from Ghana because it has been assembled in Ghana. These are things a change economy. These are things say aban bi ba. The government is touching on everything. Recently, Mati said, kasa this is a government that has always listened to the Ghanaian. And I know the government is going to take decisions. There's no way this government is going to neglect cocoa farmers. So they did not MPP for create an impression be. And every time I hear cocoa nibi say abain tia cocoa kabe 2 months inti okoton cocoa for galamsey for no konekoton. Because abain we buy in the history of the Republic of Ghana, about way in less than 1 year or two cocoa which I abain be awaba in the history. And they say abain kra 2 months entia send also tiana nasa also cocoa for no or koma galamsey for with all due respect because you cocoa for obo chima abain amo muska. Yes. Intimino, when I hear those things, I am straight. Because I also say, I buy now buy, this is a government. Time and now we talk a fertilizer, I buy we buy more free fertilizer. Time and now we talk a insecticide, I buy we buy or more free insecticide. And it say glitch biaba, now say Abai is not paying you on time. That's why you cocoa creating now say because Abai is not paying on time. Inti, me the cocoa for the comma galamsey for come on way. Because ekuafo papa na omoji abanwe edwuma di na the abanwe ye no omo de cause say eye no they will wait and negotiate and talk to the government and the government will come through aban no be solve the problem no. This is a government where aban the echichere aban echichere den obwa fishermen obwa kokofo obwa cashewfo obwa rubberfo obwa different farmers. It is we a cocoa farmer. Na say bia utsike tuano akechire kakra. It does not mean say abandon neglect you totally. No, that is how governance is. And it do some time you say we mu pay aba, we mu pay maye. Aban toto nyama. Aban does not do everything at the same time. And they say we a cocoa kwani Now say 2 months. Aban nyama usika. Into usha aban nim. Aban kancha ose ontia. Na sa also do cocoa kuyano. What the bema galamsey for? Omo hofa komo. Obian shaw. Obian on kontokwa. And ekuyafo na sebio. Omunim di aban we ya momo. Any plans aban we wo momo. Those farmers understand the government. Iti me when I see these things, also I don't. It doesn't bother me because me ni mabano. And who koko kweni no unim aban no and unim dia aban ne yama nti say wo say ubedi MPP fuachi ensam keka na do koko fuo no ebeka koma gala me kai say aban we ba so foforo ajo mahama first window or two koko mu kakra bi later osadi bi first one no ye nyankwasiafo bi betena Facebook ye koko fuo ye ne akwa bi nanim se kusie ba ne hu fin bi wo hwe nanim ay say jota se ne hu fin bi otikoko bi ase di pa fon tantan bi why so pro na odi ne nkofo be jimifo be mu fi bi ene ye ntiasie ye beton ekoko no ebesi ndem kokoro mo nton ye ade ndiro mo nton ye because obo say Ghana fo ni bi mo jimi omo dada mo omo de mo eje eye coins o social media mu just ankwasiafo no say John Mahama bind buy na first day ye ka se atokoko mo say 126 Ghana say den omo say ye de ye ntiasie no nkofo no be gina social media say ye twa ekoko egu no busa omo so mo twa gui ye to ma galamsey fo Mumusa omuton ye womu no omunye papa ye okokofo akuafo papa mo Ghana mo te de ekonase omo abotrama oman no omo abotrama aban no they know the government will come in it is impuro no uhwe di penim na esi agu nanum uhwe di pa se krama ka abo na oda gata so uhwe na si agu nanum hu fin bi dan wura bi mu odan wura bi mu na jimifo na MPP fo so no say wey so we need to get serious. We need to understand. I am not saying say everything is perfect. We are perfect. Aban we beto problems pa. But this short period, the aban we etumia you can see clearly say aban we has really tried. If today there's a glitch, na say abano sikebi also tiab koko for na onyen ya. It does not mean say aban we neglect koko for no. The government will still see to the payment of Kweku Annan.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.